In today's data-driven marketing landscape, measuring your social media return on investment, ROI, is crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of your social media efforts, justifying your investments, and making informed decisions about your social media strategy. In this video, we will delve into how to use Facebook, one of the world's largest social media platforms, to effectively measure your social media ROI and gain valuable insights into your social media performance. Section 1. The importance of measuring social media ROI. Measuring your social media ROI is essential for several reasons. Demonstrate value. Quantifying the impact of your social media efforts provides tangible proof of the value of your social media marketing, aligning your social media goals with overall business objectives. Optimize strategy. By tracking key metrics, you can identify which social media strategies are most effective, allowing you to refine your approach and allocate resources more efficiently. Justify investments. Measuring ROI provides data-driven evidence to support your social media budget requests and demonstrate the return on your social media investments. Section 2. Facebook's role in measuring social media ROI. Facebook offers a comprehensive suite of analytics tools, known as Facebook Insights, that enable you to measure your social media ROI effectively. Reach and impressions. Track the number of people who have seen your content, reach, and the number of times your content has been displayed, impressions, indicating the overall exposure of your content. Engagement. Monitor engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, shares, and clicks, gauging the level of interaction and interest your content is generating. Conversions. Track conversions, such as website visits, form submissions, or purchases, to measure the direct impact of your social media efforts on business outcomes. Audience insights. Gain insights into your audience demographics, interests, and behaviors, allowing you to tailor your content and targeting strategies accordingly. Section 3. Measuring social media ROI on Facebook. To effectively measure your social media ROI on Facebook, follow these steps. Define your goals. Clearly define your social media goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Identify key metrics. Select relevant metrics that align with your goals, such as reach, engagement, conversions, or cost per acquisition. CPA. Set up Facebook Pixel. Implement Facebook Pixel, a tracking code, on your website to track conversions and attribute them to your social media campaigns. Utilize Facebook Insights. Regularly analyze your Facebook Insights data to track performance trends, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Calculate ROI. Calculate your social media ROI by comparing the value of your social media-generated revenue or leads to the cost of your social media marketing efforts. Section 4. Additional tips for measuring social media ROI. Consider these additional tips to enhance your efforts in measuring social media ROI on Facebook. Track performance over time. Monitor your metrics over time to identify seasonal trends, campaign effectiveness, and the overall impact of your social media strategy. Segment your audience. Analyze performance data for different audience segments, such as demographics, interests, or behaviors, to identify which segments are most responsive to your content. Compare to industry benchmarks. Benchmark your social media performance against industry averages to assess your relative performance and identify areas for improvement. Consider qualitative factors. While quantitative metrics are important, don't neglect qualitative factors like brand perception, customer sentiment, and social media chatter. Continuously refine, regularly review your ROI calculations, and adapt your social media strategy based on the insights you gain, ensuring your efforts are aligned with your business goals. By effectively measuring your social media ROI on Facebook, you can gain valuable insights into your social media performance, demonstrate the value of your social media marketing, and make informed decisions to optimize your strategy and achieve your business objectives. Remember, social media ROI is an ongoing process that requires continuous evaluation, adaptation, and refinement to ensure your social media efforts are driving tangible business results and maximizing your return on investment.